Hi, today we are doing a little experiment with a 3D printed object, and the goal is to actually turn this complex object into metal. So basically we 3D printed a face or a head here with the upper part of the body, and we used only 2 layers to build the walls. It's completely hollow from the inside. And we want to see if we can use it in the sand casting process as a pattern without actually removing it. So we want to see what happens if the metal flows into the parts and melt all the plastic. We used PLA, and PLA, I believe it melts at 180 degrees.
It's ABS actually, I think.
ABS, this is ABS,
Yeah.
this is even, it's going to be more difficult, more toxic probably. But anyway, I think we will survive the experiment. We basically used 4 picture frames from IKEA, and probably here's some samples. And these are pretty good because it is the perfect structure you want to have for your flask, because it has a flange here that will stop the sand from falling. So these are smaller ones, but you can get the bigger ones here. I attached 2 parts together, and I have 2 of them. I added these latches, and here you can see each 2 frames are attached together, and then I can use them to fill them as flasks, to fill them with the sand, and put our water in the middle. So we're going to do this today. I brought with me a metal furnace and some sand. Let me show you. So this sand is basically a special mixture. I got some sand from the desert. It's very fine sand, and I mixed it with pentonite. And you can get this from any store which sells, cats, food and cat litter. Basically, pentonite is used in the cat litter, which absorbs moisture. So when you mix it with the sand and you add a little bit of water, the sand basically holds together. And if you do this little experiment and you press it with your palm, the sand really holds a structure, and actually you can see all the features. And what happens here is that it tells you that it needs a little bit of water, because it's not supposed to break easily. So you just need to add a little bit of water, and it should hold its shape really well. So after we prepare the sand and mix it really well with the water, we can begin filling the flask with the sand and putting our model in it, and then we can melt some aluminum. I got some scrap metal here. I don't know what type of aluminum it is, but it should be fine. And I think I have enough material to fill this model. Alright, so let's begin. Like a small piece of styrofoam to function as the gate, and here I have a brass bar connected to the foam, and then the foam is connected to the plastic model. So I expect the molten metal to flow here, melt the styrofoam. Well, basically I'm going to remove this after I add the sand, and then from the styrofoam into the plastic model. I expect everything to just melt away as soon as the molten metal comes in contact with the foam and the plastic, and basically this is the experiment.
So is that extra copper pipe used for letting all the air out?
Yeah, basically because as you roll the metal, you will need 700, 750. Or you just set it up at 800 just to...
So should I plug this light on again? Should I plug this on? Your magic. So it's got the whole head. Wow, it's not bad at all. I've become black. Wow. There you go. Resembles nothing like me. Wait, you're gonna break it. Put water on it. The water will probably crack the carbon. Right. So it worked. So we actually, you can see the layers of the 3D printed parts right here.